And the reason why I'm burning lots and lots of dead wood here, lots and lots of dead wood. Reason why I'm burning the dead wood with the moss on it is because it gives lots and lots of smoke. I don't care if my hammock stinks of smoke. What I care about is keeping the bugs away. And that burning moss will keep the bugs away. 2 bags of noodles. It's a 0.8 litre, so 800ml aluminium pot, which is just the right size for 2 little packets of noodles. There is perfectly cooked, that is. Still some glowing bits down there. So that's kind of perfectly timed, because I was going to sit in the hammock and eat it, but even though we've got ticks in the area, I'd rather sit on me Bergen and eat it, and that way I don't have to worry about splashing it all over the place. And embers are pretty much burnt out, so I don't, because it's so windy, I don't want to leave any glowing embers. So I've got a litre of ale left and a litre of water left, so I might just dose them in a bit. I mean, there's plenty of dry dead wood here. Of course, a nice bit of warmth coming out. Yeah, that's still going. But that is so nice. So much for my electric bill. Ha ha ha.